Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm Architect Studio and today we're going to visit one of the most sophisticated shopping haven in Metro Cebu. Ayala Center Cebu is the first Ayala shopping center that was built outside Metro Manila, Philippines. The shopping center was opened in the public in 1994. Ayala Center Cebu is a 9 hectares shopping haven located at Cebu Business Park in Cebu City, Philippines. Ayala Center Cebu is considered as Cebuano's icon for shopping and lifestyle destination. This shopping haven brings all the best in the Queen City of the South in one stunning, sophisticated setting. Housing the first Ayala Mall in Cebu, the lifestyle destination offers unparalleled retail, dining, and entertainment option where you and your family can unwind, eat out, and shop till you drop. Following the tradition of world-class aesthetics of Ayala Mall Greenbelt and Glorieta, Ayala Center Cebu offers you The Terraces. The Terraces was designed as a ultimate celebration destination that offers finest dining, entertainment, and wellness options. It is a timeless landmark of relaxation landscape garden, invigorative water features with a world-class outdoor activity area, perfect for hosting international artists, concerts, and events. Ayala Terraces Cebu is a multi-level dining leisure and entertainment where you can enjoy the gorgeous greenery and admire its refreshing water features. With an extensive combination of world-class offering and local retailers and warm ambiance that reflects Cebuano culture.
Adlaw for me. It's gonna be a happy day, everyone will agree. Ug daghang higayong kalibutan, ang kada adlaw malipayong tanan. It's gonna be a happy day for me and you. If you want it, all you gotta do is say it, claim it, sing it, hit your heels and dance it. Awaken, amazing. Makita sa mata, sa ngisi ko katawa. It's gonna be a happy day. Sa paglakaw-lakaw, kiay sayaw-sayaw. It's gonna be a happy day. Maukining, usas mga adlaw, na ang kalibutan mo hunong para nimo. I'm feeling free and calm what may. Maog yun ang adlaw nga gipaabot ko. It's gonna be a happy day, adlaw for me. It's gonna be a happy day, everyone will agree. Ug daghang higayong kalibutan, ang kada adlaw malipayong tanan. It's gonna be a happy day for me and you.
Ayala Center Cebu personify the cosmopolitan city and enliven the heart of the business district. You will never get tired of this urban retreat and lifestyle oasis. Welcome to Ayala Center Cebu.
It's gonna be a happy day. Maukinig, usas mga adlaw, nga ang kalibutan mo hunong para nimo. I'm feeling free and calm what may. Maug yun ang adlaw nga gipaabot ko. It's gonna be a happy day, adlaw for me. It's gonna be a happy
Hi everyone, please subscribe to Architect Studio by Architectural Patrick. Good luck and congrats, Kaz!